Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning one ayat from Holy Quran, and that is an effective remedy in order to make the environment of the house a beautiful, peaceful, nice. Because sometime between wife and husband, problem, dispute, so many things happen. And these are so much sometime become so much lengthy, then both of them they are not to talk with each other, too much problem. So this is an effective remedy, the ayat of Holy Quran we are reciting today. This is from Surah Rum, ayat number 21. So you have to read it 100 times, start and end with Durood Salam to Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and then blow this one on some sweet thing, and then give this sweet thing for eating to husband and wife. So both will be in love with each other. They will leave all type of hatred, dispute and problems. Inshallah, the life within the home will become better and the atmosphere will be excellent. So, so this is an effective remedy in order to bring peaceful home atmosphere between husband and wife, so that they are so much in love with each other, and that there is no any problem, inshallah, after having this special remedy. I read this ayat. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. ومن آياته أن خلق لكم من أنفسكم أزواجا لتسكنوا إليها وجعل بينكم مودة ورحمة إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يتفكرون. ومن آياته أن خلق لكم من أنفسكم أزواجا لتسكنوا إليها وجعل بينكم مودة ورحمة إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يتفكرون. ومن آياته أن خلق لكم من أنفسكم أزواجا لتسكنوا إليها وجعل بينكم مودة ورحمة إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يتفكرون. So read this ayat 100 times, start and end with Durood Salam to Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and then blow on sweet thing, and that sweet thing give for eating to husband and wife. Inshallah, all dispute will be away, and all hatred will go off, and they will become in love with each other, and they will make the home atmosphere very beautiful, peaceful, nice, and inshallah Allah's blessings will fall in that house because of their good relationship. So good relationship between husband and wife brings the blessings and mercies of Allah in the home. So this way, try to remove all type of disputes and all types of problems or hatred between you and your husband, or wife and husband. They should leave all type of hatred, all types of disputes, and any type of misunderstanding. So they try to become good friend, and inshallah, after doing this remedy, inshallah, the home environment will become better. So the meaning of this ayat is mm, وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ, and among the signs of Allah, one is this one, أَنْ خَلَقَ لَكُم مِّنْ أَنفُسِكُمْ أَزْوَاجًا لِتَسْكُنُوا إِلَيْهَا. So He, Allah, created for you from yourself wives, so that you may find lovely, peaceful satisfaction in them. وَجَعَلَ بَيْنَكُمْ مَوَدَّةً وَرَحْمَةً. وَجَعَلْنَا, and Allah, He made or He placed between you love and mercy. إِنَّ فِي ذَلِكَ لَآيَةٍ لِقَوْمٍ يَتَفَكَّرُونَ. Indeed, in them there are signs for the people who think. So we have to follow the instruction I have given you. Like, first of all, you have to read this ayat at least 100 times. Start and end with Durood Salam to Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Then blow on sweet thing and give that sweet thing to husband and wife. Inshallah, all the hatred, all type of misunderstanding, and some type of those things which were created among them, disputes and problems, those will go off with the mercies of Allah, and they will become best friend in love with each other. So we try our best to make our home environment very good, so that Allah's mercies should fall in our house. So our children, our family members, everyone get the benefit from the blessings of Allah, so that our this life and the life hereafter will become better. Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.